Today in this video, we will see how to delete a bookmark from a Safari browser. If you are using Safari browser very frequent, then it is surely that sometime you must have saved some website as a bookmark on your Safari browser. So now, if you want to remove particular bookmark from Safari browser, how to do it? So first of all, very easy and simple thing. Open Safari browser, and here if you see on a home page, there is a book kind of icon. Okay, tap on the book icon, and here if you see the first option, that is your bookmark, and here there are multiple folders available if you created. Otherwise, to view all the bookmarks, just go ahead and tap on favorites. Okay, or tap on other groups as per your own convenient. Okay, for now let's go ahead and tap on favorites, and here there are all the bookmarks available for Safari browser. So now to remove particular bookmark, what to do? Just go ahead and tap on edit. Tap on edit, and to remove particular bookmark, just go ahead and tap on minus icon and tap on delete. So instantly that particular bookmark will be removed from your Safari browser bookmark option, and it is how you can remove bookmark from Safari browser instantly. So guys, that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. It helped you, and if yes, I request you please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.